Hello Telcoin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about Telcoin. You know what, my friends, at this time, a lot of people ask me questions about Telcoin, that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Telcoin. So in this video, I will show you, my friends. Keep watch this video for more details and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of Telcoin in the market is 0.031466 USD dollar. That is the latest price after Telcoin. On the other side, if we look the price changes after Telcoin, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend price change occurring in the Telcoin is negative. Completely fast down occurring in the Telcoin from the previous last 1 week, my friends. So if the price change is negative, that means that you are in the loss, my friends. Oh my god, this, my friends, that is the latest update of Telcoin, last 60-minute price update of Telcoin. You are seeing on the front of your eyes, my friends. You can see here the price chart tells us that completely fast down. Now the current situation is also negative 0.11% price fast down occurs in the Telcoin, my friends. So at this time, my friends, I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, because the previous changes is I show you that still negative. So if these changes is still negative, this means that you are in the loss. So for profit, my friends, you have to hold, my friends. If you want profit from a Telcoin, so you have to hold, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Telcoin? Please tell me in the comment box. And remember, my friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.